Cause then, I'm so freaking tired.
So, basang-basa likod mo. Kailangan mo pa?
We're at the vegetation area. Oh, I'm so scared the snake may jump out.
What will you gonna do? If a chick suddenly jump out. Di ba sabi nila don't move? Totoo ba yun?
Mag-zigzag ka na lakad.
Oo. Nadapa si Jesus. Oh.
Wow! Oh my gosh! Jesus has fallen. Oh no! Oh no!
Third time niyang nadapa.
I mean, wood trip. It's literally heavy. Oh gosh, it's far. I feel I will
Mag-aano tayo, Mr. Beast? Di ba sila Mr. Beast ng jungle?
well, sometimes.
Oo, yung sinabi ni Daddy Kai?
No.
Peki si Mr. Beast?
Opo. Yung mga parang,
Yung sinasabi yung
yung mga people sa video niya,
Super
subscribe,
Kuni.
ano lang, subscribers.
Kung saan pa mabukas yun? Yan mo yan. Hindi naman nila nakikita yun naman. Ako pa rin naman makakita ni mama.
We're so far from the church. It only felt like 12 seconds, bro. Look, I know what's happening. Look,
Si Jesus ay hinubaran.
what? Oh no.
Hinubad.
Oh. Why do I always trip? Oh gosh. I'm so tired, bro. Let's go. Bro, this is like TLOU. I'm gonna act like Joel real quick. There's the church. Ding! There's the church. Ding! That's where we need to go. Bro, this is like the last of us, bro. Bro. That would be crazy if this...
Wala na yung Martinio.
Oh no. Look guys. Oh no. But we're already out XI. But I don't understand. Ah. Oh. Okay, I don't know where we are. But honestly, I'm still not tired. I think God gave me a superpower. I'm suddenly not tired, guys.
Wow.
I suddenly have maximum energy.
Parang mag-complain. Saan kayo dito?
Pwede to.
We're now back at the church. I saw this at the church. Mami, nakita ko to sa church eh. Nung nandun pa tayo, nakita tayo ng kapaling ano na to. So basically, malapit na tayo. Oh gosh. Guys, take me real quick.